Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your phone and plugging it in if the battery is low. Always on display can use extra power. Next, open Settings and navigate straight to Display because that's where the option lives. If your device requires an updated OS or specific hardware, make sure updates are installed first. Otherwise, the toggle may not appear. Once in Display, look for Always on Display, Ambient Display, or Lock Screen options so you can make the first change. You now enable the feature by flipping the Always on Display or Ambient toggle. This activates the basic behavior. After that, configure what appears, a clock, notifications, or minimal widgets, because fewer items save battery. Make sure to set a schedule or choose Show while charging to control when it's active. Also reduce brightness and choose a discrete watch face to limit power draw. These settings balance visibility with battery life and prevent needless screen-on time. Finally, save your changes and lock the phone to confirm the always-on screen behaves as expected. Visually check the clock and any notifications. Test during the hours you set so you can confirm scheduling and battery impact, and tweak visibility or content if it's too bright or cluttered. If the feature doesn't appear or stays off, reboot the device, recheck OS updates, and reset display settings. That simple restart often clears conflicts and allows the always-on display option to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.